You want to earn money and you want to earn money fast. Well, today must be your lucky day because in this video, I'll be teaching you how to earn $25 every single minute with this brand new method. So the first step is to visit the website 5squid.com. Now 5squid isn't a website where I can purchase and sell squid or other aquatic marine animals. Instead, it's a website where I can provide excellent service or hire someone to complete the work for you. You can do this roughly £5 on a website similar to Fiverr, which is also a freelancing website. As I stated during the beginning, you do not need to be experienced or professional to do this, and I will make it as simple as possible for you. On this website, the first thing you should do is go to the search bar and type in your methods. But first, if you click on the three stripes next to the search bar, you can see all of the different categories that are available. And if you want to try and offer your own unique skills, in addition to what I will teach you in this video, you can just click on any of them. They have graphic design, music and audio, digital marketing, and other things as well. When you return to the search box after searching for services that contain your message, you'll notice that many individuals are offering this service and earning £5 over and over again using this strategy. But don't worry, it's actually quite simple. And it's even easier than you may think, since I'll show you a already done for you way, but will require you to put in the least amount of effort compared to others that provide the same service. He can make a lot more than $5. But because there's a processing fee, he can only earn tax. That don't worry. You'll still get your $5. The only thing that's missing now is what picture, and not just any photo, but one that's dynamic. A dynamic picture is essentially a static image of someone or something, but it is possible to alter the text, which we may obtain by visiting headamil.com. There are 3 photographs of Einstein, Uncle Sam, and the Quaker guy on this page. If we click on the Einstein chalkboard, we can see that there is a static image of Albert Einstein and that the writing on the chalkboard can be changed and edited, which is a completely unique feature because the customer may customize it to whatever they want. So if we type, "Sorry, I have a girlfriend," and then click Change Image, you'll notice that the text has changed to what we just typed. Depending on the buyer's request, we can simply adjust the text and put in whatever they requested. It's a really simple strategy that everyone may follow. So after you finish changing and replacing the text, you can either screenshot the image and crop it, or right-click on the image and save it to your computer or phone. Then all you have to do is upload it and hand it to the client. It's that simple. Of course, if someone purchases an image from you, they'll write a rating and review, and you'll begin to attract other consumers who want to use your services. You'll continue to earn $5 indefinitely. Just make sure to join up for 5squid and create an account, so you can advertise your offer and services to those who are seeking it. I'll skip that step because it's quite simple to do on your own. Now, if you want to increase your revenue stream, I can show you a bonus website called Fiverr.com, which is a freelancing marketplace for those who need work done and people who want to give their services. You may accomplish the same thing here by offering your services as someone who can customize a dynamic image with a particular message. That's all there is to it when it comes to making money, the simplest method imaginable. And if you want more videos like this, take a make other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.